Fixed camera for Duolingo English test. So if you are facing the issue of camera not working during your English test for Duolingo, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fixed camera mode. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then that will also be the reason that your camera is not working properly. Secondly, if you are already connected to Wi-Fi or data and it is still not working, then simply turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, this helps you to fix the network issue which you are getting on air, because that may also be the main reason behind your camera not working. So after that, you just need to open settings on a device, and after opening settings, you just need to search for the app called Duolingo and see if you have given the permission for camera or not. So if you have not given the permission for camera, then you just need to give the permission for camera and see if it works or not. And the last and the most important option is restarting a device. So simply restart a device and it will help you to fix the camera for Duolingo. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.